Hi guys, so I am here to talk to you about hyaluronic acid and my absolute favourite one. So here's the spoiler alert, Vichy Mineral 89. This is my most favourite. So acid is a scary term, but hyaluronic acid is basically a humectant. So it's basically draws moisture from its surroundings. So that's why it's really important when you use hyaluronic acid to basically use it on damp skin. And this goes for any kind of like hydrating products generally. If you've got like a bit of a dampy consistency to your skin, then apply it. So what you're supposed to do is when you come out of the shower or wash your face, then stick this straight on. But my skin just basically is so dehydrated, it just takes in all the moisture. So I basically just like spray water mist or something like that, and then I'll apply this to my damp skin. I will use it every morning and every night, and it makes such a difference. So many people, like friends, come to me because they have like dry skin and they come to me with all these problems, and I'm like, do you use hyaluronic acid? And I'm like, oh no. So first of all, it's the term acid that scares them. Second of all, they're not using it on damp skin, which then they're not seeing the results of plumped, more hydrated skin. And thirdly, because of the hyaluronic acid element, people are worried about what else you can use it with. So hyaluronic acid is one of those ingredients that you can use with vitamin C, retinol, tretinoin, lactic acid, all those things that you can't really use with other stuff. You can use hyaluronic acid with everything, niacinamide, everything. So you're safe using this morning and night all the time, and basically it holds moisture in your skin. I think it's like 1,000 times more moisture in your skin, but you need to use it on damp skin. And the great thing about this Vichy one is that there's no alcohol in this, there's no fragrance in this, because I've used a lot of other hyaluronic acids and there's fragrance in them, there's perfume, denatured alcohol, and all those things are just going to irritate your skin over time. Whereas this one, it is literally, there's just like 7 types of different hyaluronic acids, which is really good because they're all different types of, all different sized molecules. You can tell that I'm a scientist. All different sized molecules, which makes it easier for the water hydration to absorb into your skin. And this is not like water, this is like a gel-like consistency. And then I have got, the one that I'm using is currently like nearly finished, but I just want to finish it. But this is also the Mineral 89 for your eyes. So it's exactly the same kind of formula. This one has just got caffeine in it, so if you just to kind of like help with the dark circles around your eyes. But obviously my under eyes and like my eye area can get really dehydrated and dry, so it's really important to use the hyaluronic acid. So this is the probiotic serum, which has got niacinamide in it. And now niacinamide again is such a good ingredient. It helps with keeping your pores at bay. It's water soluble. It helps with pigmentation, so over time it's going to help you with kind of like fading any dark marks and pigmentation, but also help with future pigmentation and dark marks as well. It works really well with hyaluronic acid. I have also been loving this. Again, it's got no fragrance, alcohol in it, which is perfect. These just work so well together. This first on damp skin, then I'll use this one around my eyes, then I'll go in with this, then I'll go in with a moisturizer, and we're basically set.